what poverty my muse brings forth, that having such a scope to show her pride, the argument all bare is of more worth than when it hath my added praise beside. Oh, blame me not if I no more can write. Look in your glass, and there appears a face that overgoes my blunt invention, quite dulling my lines and doing me disgrace. Were it not sinful, then, striving to mend, to mar the subject that before was well? For to no other part my verses tend than of your graces and your gifts to tell, and more, much more than in my verse can sit, your own glass shows you when you look in it. Because you are the subject of my poetry, I have infinite potential to write the most beautiful words ever. But the sad fact is, I can't do you justice. You're better off without my words than you are with them. It's not my fault. I can't write any more or any better than I am doing. It's just, look at yourself in the mirror. Look how beautiful you are. I can't comprehend any words that could describe you as well as that reflection can. I feel like my poems are doing you more harm than good. All I want to do is to tell the whole world how amazing you are. But the sad truth is, your face can do that better than any of my words can. I mean, look. So, I think you're better off without me and my poems.
But vampires don't have reflections. See? One broken heart. Ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah.